I don't know, like, how do we start it? Let's just start it like this.
Yeah, be normal. Let's not be conscious. और वो edit हो जाएगा.
नहीं.
Hi guys, we are back with another episode of Culture Capsule.
ये कल्चर कैप्सूल क्या है बताओ तो मेरे को.
क्या बात है सर, क्या बात है सर, क्या बात है, ये बात है. अरे सर क्या बात है.
Like you explain who you were before Coromandel. Now Coromandel is there. Now who you are.
Comfortable दर्शन. I think now I'm frustrated with कोई कभी नहीं बोलेगा भाई मैंने बैड फेथ में स्टार्ट करा या मैंने मतलब you know everyone would say have the right. You know any right businessman will tell you कि भाई I had a great relation with my clients. I did certain things for them.
Fashion game.
नहीं मैं वो मेरे को लगता है अपने कच्चे में हमेशा छोटा लगता है. ऐसा ही हो रखा है. A lot of unfiltered conversations.
Yeah. For that. Anyway, so guys, we are welcome back to another episode of Culture Capsule, and this one's really special because we have Darshan with us in the house, the founder of Coromandel. But before we jump into what the brand is and what everything is, we'd first obviously like to know about Darshan.
Yeah.
Who was Darshan before Coromandel? What did you do? And then let's jump into the conversation.
Yeah.
then.
So I mean, I have a design background, and I was someone who was always interested in clothes, but then I would just be stuck at a lot of places because it would be maybe aesthetically pleasing, but I wouldn't just get the comfort. So I think, I mean, that was me, just uncomfortable Darshan.
So then
Before Coromandel, yeah, before,
happened,
yeah,
and then
exactly.
you tried to change that,
Yeah,
bring
yeah,
that comfort.
bring that thing, yeah.
Nice. Okay. So, what truly inspired you to start Coromandel, and like, what is the core philosophy which you think you wanted to keep when you started the brand?
Yeah.
And obviously, where does the like? I know it's a place, but
Yeah.
how did you come up with the name and that whole journey of actually just starting out? How did that happen?
So the name Coromandel, it was like I was actually stuck on the name for the longest, and I did not understand what I would like to name my brand. But there was something that I wanted to do something very Indian, like because we just have such a rich culture, we have such a rich textile legacy in general.
Yeah.
So I was like, how do I bring that textile legacy? Because I mean, I did textile designing.
Yeah.
For me, fabrics were always more important than making clothes. Like that's why I'd say I talk about comfort, I talk about utility, because if you're not comfortable in your clothing, then I mean, it could look really great, but then what the hell are you doing? That's the point. So yeah, like the starting point was having coming back to, why Coromandel? Why the name Coromandel?
Yeah.
So it's inspired by the Coromandel Coast, which was this point where all the Indian textiles, spices used to get exported to the West. And it created a boom in the market in such a way that they had to literally kill Indian weavers. They had to burn villages. They had to literally, the British, we were colonized back then. And, in order to control they had banned Indian products because it was creating such a boom in the West back in 1800s. If I'm not, might be a little wrong with the dates over here and there, but yeah.
Come on, you should
history nahi padhi.
you should be perfect about it. Starting your own brand.
नहीं 1800 वो मैं थोड़ा modest होने के लिए बोल रहा हूँ. It might be here and there, but yeah, it created a boom, and then they had to ban Indian textiles products in general, and then because there was a demand for it, so the supply did not stop because they were selling through black market. Then the East India Company had to eventually literally burn villages in Bengal, in all these places where these textiles were getting produced. And it was such a bad scene. If we think about it. So I sort of wanted to bring that back. That legacy back. To create that boom in the West again. I don't know. Something. Yeah.
Sounds interesting.
But like you explain who you were before Coromandel. Now Coromandel is there. Now who you are.
I think now I'm just comfortable, Darshan. I'm wearing things that that actually make me feel. I mean, what? I'll tell you. The lockdown happened, and before that, I swear people was just buying things for Instagram. I think that, but then lockdown happened, and people were working from home, and
Yeah.
they were just in probably like if someone is having a meeting, they would be sitting in their pajamas. They might wear a formal shirt, but down there would be like their boxes or their pajamas, and they would just be giving that meeting. So from there, that comfort came in, and that's when people. I mean, that changed me also like too much. I mean, a lot. Where I would just, I just really wanted to be comfortable while I'm working in office. I mean, while I'm doing anything, like I mean, I wanted clothes where things that you can wear, you can look good in, but at the same time, you can come home and literally sleep into them.
Okay.
And they are that durable that once you sleep into them, you wake up and for sure they're going to be creased or whatever, but that longevity, that essence of longevity will not go away out of that.
Okay, sounds. Yeah, I've seen you so many times wearing
my
clothes,
jeans and literally, yeah.
literally sleeping. Yeah, correct. Yeah, I also basically 100% agree with this. Like your clothes needs to be so comfortable and so on point.
Exactly.
Like you can wear it anywhere.
Yeah.
I have this pair of jeans which I literally wear straight 4 days, and there are some pair of shoes which I literally pair it with all the jeans and cargos and wearing it till
Exactly.
it's rugged.
They say like a good bottom can survive with 5 bad tops. So like
Correct.
if you're like, yeah, that's the whole idea.
Okay, so next I would like to know from you. Like I have made some questions. मेरे को याद नहीं होता जल्दी. So I have made some questions. So I just want to ask you this: were you frustrated before getting into the fashion industry, or right now you are more frustrated?
That I think frustration never goes away. I mean, yeah, before this I was frustrated to not have comfortable clothing. Now I'm frustrated with handling finances, for that matter, handling just being consistent, for that matter. Like opening a business, having a brand, I mean, doing anything for that matter, opening up, like being an entrepreneur or being someone who has opened up something, that takes a lot of time. It's not easy. Like I mean, I used to, before I opened up Coromandel, I used to think like it's going to be damn easy. I'm going to open it up and everyone is going to love my clothes and I will, I'll be this happy person who has made this boom in the market, whatever. But it doesn't happen like that.
Yeah, correct.
You just have to
You have to do all the things.
yeah,
Like
just have to be there.
Like in this same thing, I want to understand. Obviously, starting a brand, making good clothes, making good products, but there's that thing, how to make it sellable.
Yeah.
How
That's-
much
yeah.
did that trouble you, or still might be troubling? Like even for us, it's happening that we have multiple brands, or we are the stockist,
Yeah.
and we keep a curation of brands, but it's so difficult for us to understand at times, exactly how and what will sell, what will not sell.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
So it's always a gamble.
Yeah,
Right.
yeah.
So I mean, I want to understand, how did you maneuver through this challenge?
Honestly, I'm not buttering you guys up, but Project Street actually, I mean, the kind of discussion that we have about things that sell, that things that don't. You know what? I mean, let me just say something great about Project Street right now. I mean, you guys understand culture. Like, you are not here just to make money, for sure. I mean, that's the
Yeah.
basic idea to, like, I mean, that's how you're going to sustain the market.
Yeah.
But you understand culture. Like, I mean, the way you guys have supported all the homegrown brands. And I mean, I haven't seen this with other stores that I'm stocking my stuff at.
Name some.
Yeah, I mean, they're nice.
Top secret.
Exactly. But yeah, that's what, like, I mean, you guys, I mean, I see a clear difference. The kind of culture that you have over here and I mean, I've visited over here for the
No,
first time anyway.
yeah.
Now I see everything. Because I've stayed with you guys for 4 days and I've literally come to the store every goddamn day. And, I've seen things selling. It's not like you guys were just pushing, you guys were just pushing everything. I mean, you guys were there, out there. So that's
Yeah.
what.
Nice.
Cool.
Next.
So, when you basically design, what do you see? You see the fabric, or you see the problem, or you see something like ये नहीं है market में, or you just look like I want to create some new design, like new shirt or new T-shirt, like ये market में नहीं है, so ये Coromandel का piece आना चाहिए. So how do you decide this?
Well, that's a great question, honestly. Uh, for me, the driving factor to making clothes was always, I mean, aesthetically, if something is not going to look nice, no one will buy it in the first place. But the whole idea is that if you make something great, but then you can't wear it for more than 2 hours, right? Then what's the idea of just making those clothes? Like, you know,
Correct.
I mean, I was frustrated. I mean, you know, coming back to frustration again, like, I mean, I would just be struggling with my sleeves. They wouldn't go up. I mean, you know, I would have these, I mean, patches on my armpits, which would turn yellow because of the sweat and everything. Eventually, the clothes do not have that much longevity, right? That so I mean, there are a lot of factors that I keep in mind while I'm making Coromandel, like, you know, any garment for that matter. And for sure, it's a learning curve ball, like, you know, that way it's
Yeah.
Yeah. The
Yeah.
learning can never
exactly. So, you know, I mean, but still, I think that drive to make something that will just, you know, when that person will wear it and they'll feel comfortable and they look good, that feeling is great. Like, honestly, that feeling of having the comfort at the same time just looking good, it makes you feel so much confidence in general. Like, I mean, confident in general. Like, I think that confident is really important. Like, you know, when someone wears anything.
So how do you decide what to include in a garment and what not to include? How do you think about it?
like
So-
what I think he means is like design language. How did you streamline on that design
Yeah.
language? And because obviously you have to continue with that
Yeah.
language so that your brand builds that recall and people understand that kind of, you know,
Yeah.
they want to go back and buy because they have already seen that before in a previous purchase.
Yeah.
So that's how they will come back. Yeah, I felt comfortable. I felt this product was long lasting.
Yeah.
And that's why I don't mind investing in the brand again. And that's how they then become your loyal customers.
Fair enough, yeah.
Right. So, but that what he's asking is how did that direction, you know, come through, and how does it keep evolving with time and with the designs and with the collections that come through?
I mean, pretty much understood, I think, but logical reasoning. Like, there are, and I'm not saying that there are, these are bad designers. They are, you know, everyone creatively, you can't really judge creativity for that matter, but having that logical reasoning behind any detail for me matters a lot. Like, you know, if I'm putting a pocket at a certain place, there needs to be a reason that why is it there. So I read something really interesting with these, I mean, all the matter that I could find by all these entrepreneurs or whatever. I mean, there was a boom when people was just being there were a lot of entrepreneurs that were just coming up. So yeah, I read that anything that makes the human effort a little lesser is great. So that just stuck with me, you know. So I mean, anything that I design, I'm sort of always trying to take that human effort a little lower, like, you know, understanding how people their patterns, how, like, you know, people behave with the kind of, like, you know, how the hands work, what pocket, I mean, what is easier to reach. So
And somewhere it comes from your own experiences
yeah,
as well.
like,
right?
I keep on trying with myself, honestly.
Yeah.
Like, you know, if I mean, everything that I make, I wear it for a while, and I just live in that thing for a while, and then I see, is it actually reducing that human effort or not?
Yeah,
So that is, I don't know if
understood. Got
I've
it.
justified what you
Yeah,
asked,
yeah,
but this
yeah.
is literally what, and for sure, like, storytelling. That's really important for
Storytelling,
me.
yeah.
Like, you know, the reason. I mean, storytelling.
That is key now,
yeah,
because
exactly.
otherwise, with the number of brands that are there and how many ever keep coming up, it's not going to slow down,
Yeah.
right? We all know that this is now streetwear as an industry or fashion as an industry is
Yeah.
like over fulfilled with everybody wants to be a white label, everybody's a brand, everybody wants to be big and things like that. But it's
Yeah.
very difficult to, you know,
Basically, to add this, I've seen like people who have money. This you might also have noticed, and if you're planning to start a brand, don't just start a brand. You have money, because I've seen so many random
Yeah.
brands coming up with.
I know what you're talking
Yeah,
about.
and I would always suggest people, like, please, if you're opening a brand, please come up with a good name. A name needs to be very
It is
it's very important. If your name is very cringy or very cheesy type, then it's boss, तुम पैसे लगा के रहे हो क्योंकि डूबेगा. फैशन ऐसा चीज है भाई. When we started Project Street, I thought there are only 50 to 60 brands or 70 brands like this, but literally I saw like around 350 plus brands are there. I have a list on my notebook. I've literally written all 350 plus brands manually, and I was like, भाई हो क्या रहा है? मतलब anybody is starting anything. Like if you start with a t-shirt brand, it's not a bad thing. It's a very good thing. T-shirt sells the most, and I feel that it's one of the most comfiest commodity in the market. And it makes you feel good. You can wear it anywhere. You can go anywhere, anytime. You can look really good. So
For sure. I totally agree.
the only thing I will again I like come up with a good name if you're investing, and the designs needs to be little different from what you right now you have in the market.
Yeah.
So
I mean, to add on to that, something really funny. In fact, Rajpal Yadav rightly said in our quote, नाम ऐसा होना चाहिए जो बिल्कुल एकदम से निकल जाए.
थूक. So मुझे यही जानना है basically.
बकचोदी नहीं रुकनी चाहिए.
मुझे बेसिकली इसी क्वेश्चन लाइक यही क्वेश्चन मेरे दिमाग में भी आया है कि आप जब डिजाइन्स देखते हो, सो वेन एवर यू प्लान टू कम अप विथ योर न्यू कलेक्शन, डू यू go with the same flow of your, like for example you came up with spring summer, then you are coming up with fall winter, autumn winter, like that.
Yeah.
So do you think that कि flow same रहना चाहिए कि पहले हमने printed बनाया, अब हम minimal बनाएंगे, अब हम थोड़ा graphical बनाएंगे? आप how do you think about this?
मेरे को लगता है if you are so confused कि पहले graphical बनाए या पहले minimal बनाए या whatever, I think you don't really have a strong reasoning that why you opened up a brand in the first place. I think there surely needs to be, I mean, for that matter, if anyone opens up a brand, by the end of the day, okay, there could be like, you know, that comfort and all is something that I really want to do. But more than that, honestly, I think if I look at something and I say, oh, that's very Coromandel. Oh, that's very something. That's very Project Street for that matter. That's something, like, you know, you look at Sabyasachi and you get to know that's Sabyasachi. You look at all these brands and you say, like, you know, so that identity creation is really important. And if you're not able to sort of create that identity, like have your own style, I don't think, like, you know, I mean, there are a lot of brands that are doing well, but I don't see an identity.
So I basically, like, if I have to start a brand, if I'm a good designer, so I would suggest other people, and by myself also think, if I'm planning a collection, I'll basically plan the entire year's collection.
Yeah.
That's how, even I'm also a fitness coach, so that's how we plan a client's plan properly. Not only 12 weeks, 24 weeks, but entirely yearly. So I have points to tell the client कि हम अभी ये करेंगे, फिर वो करेंगे. So as a designer, I feel, and for a new upcoming brands, you should at least plan the entire collection.
For sure. If you're not working in advance, nothing is going to work in your favor.
Yeah.
Like, I mean, if I'm creating something right now, for the next 3 months, I'm going to be putting something at Project Street, I think I'm already doomed.
Yeah.
Like, you know, I need to have my prior collection ready by at least 1 year. I mean, that's how you're supposed to work.
Yeah.
I mean, it could happen in 6 months or something like that. You know, you can always have your own comfort levels, but I think it needs to happen in advance for sure. Like, you know, you can't just be like, कि मैंने अभी बनाई collection, अभी shoot करवाया, और भाई कल परसों सामान बेच रहे हैं. Like, you know, that's not how you do things, for sure. Like, you know.
Correct. You want to ask anything, or should I?
No, you can ask.
Okay. So now basically I just want to know about the streetwear scenario in India. So what's happening? So what are your takes? Like, if you want to tell your 5 best and worst things about Indian streetwear, like what basically streetwear in homegrown streetwear, what's happening? हमें तो पता है कि वेस्ट में क्या हो रहा है और बाहर इंडिया के क्या हो रहा है.
Yeah.
What are your views? Like 5 best things and 5 worst things.
मेरे हिसाब से, I mean, 5 best things and 5 worst things, that's too much to answer, honestly. क्योंकि it's so, क्योंकि इतना disorganized है. मतलब मैं, I can rant about things right now, you know, that's like, but
तो फिर कम था
बियर भी लाओ इसमें।
हाँ
beer भी थे भाई।
कल इसने 13 बियर भी है।
एक आदमी
13 कैन बियर।
ये परिवार वाले भी देने वाले हैं। Yeah, but
नहीं, ये
13
तो कटे
beers.
जाएगा।
Yeah, exactly. अच्छा ये कटेगा।
नहीं कटेगा, क्यों कटेगा?
बोलने देना चाहिए ना बेचारा, अब आंसर दे रहा था अच्छा खासा।
नहीं मेरे को लगता है जो सबसे the biggest problem that I see, I think like you know this will cover all the 5 points. The biggest problem that I see with streetwear right now is that I really feel that I mean people are getting influenced in the wrong way.
Yeah.
Like they are getting inspired in the wrong way. I mean, regardless of the fact that there was some, now that we watch a lot of reels and everything, Yoji Yamamoto, I was watching a reel. He said something really nice. He's like, copy, and copy till the time you don't make it perfect. I understand that, but that copying needs to come with the right intention.
Correct.
वो intention wrong हो रहा है लोगों का कि मतलब कुछ भी बनाए जा रहे हो, कुछ भी करे जा रहे हो. I think, I mean, yeah, that is something that just makes me. I mean, you know, I look at certain brands and I'm like ये थोड़ा uncomfortable मेरे को बना रहे हैं, but ठीक है, I still respect them कि भाई मेरे को लगता है एक तो भाई धंधा बनाने में करने में भाई बड़ी मेहनत लगती है.
I would like to ask the same thing to you. What do you think? Basically she deals with all the brands. We have like
Yeah,
I would like to know her thoughts also.
No, I obviously, matlab, I think the biggest thing that I find is कि firstly ना क्या self proclaimed brand. आप ब्रांड है ही नहीं. पहली बात तो आप लेबल है.
हाँ, सही बात है.
लेबल और ब्रांड में वही वो आइडेंटिटी का फर्क है.
हाँ.
सब्यासाची ब्रांड है,
Yeah,
कोई और है, स्टूसी ब्रांड है, सुप्रीम ब्रांड है, कॉस ब्रांड है,
Yeah.
क्योंकि उनकी वो आइडेंटिटी और उनका वो एक रिकॉल इतना स्ट्रांग है कि भूल नहीं सकते. कोक, वी डोंट से
Yeah.
एवरीथिंग इज कोक.
yeah, exactly.
Right? Bisleri is every mineral water is like Bisleri. Nobody
Yeah.
says कि मेरे को Aquafina ला के दो. नहीं बोलता है कोई.
हाँ, exactly.
हाँ.
बिस्लरी ला के दो.
सब बोलते हैं बिस्लरी दे दो भैया. मिनरल वाटर भी नहीं, बिस्लरी दे दो
Tapping
भैया.
that, you're right. Tapping that.
तो आप पहली बात तो ये सेल्फ प्रोक्लेम ब्रांड का ये जो शोशाबाजी, हवेबाजी, फितूर जो भी बोलना है बोल लो, ये क्यों करते हो?
हाँ,
ये मत करो.
exactly. No,
इतना
that's-
स्ट्रॉन्ग जब तक रिकॉल वैल्यू आपने क्रिएट ही
नहीं
नहीं
करा.
किया है.
हाँ,
So that is, and then that's like adding to your this thing that identity and that storytelling cannot change.
yeah. That exactly. That's the whole idea.
But
कि-
right now it is all lost in translation. कहाँ से चालू किया था 2 साल के बाद, अब
भाई, और
हमारा
अब
कुछ
कहाँ
और ही
पे?
चल रहा है. ये ट्राई कर लेते, ये
मतलब वही
वाला
बस, ठीक है, explore करना बढ़िया है.
एक्सप्लोर करो,
but
बट
then the exploration needs to go in the right direction.
हाँ,
कि मतलब-
इंटेंशन
हाँ, मतलब brand ही बदल दी 2 साल में.
कि पता नहीं ब्रांड ही पूरा चेंज
Yeah,
हो गया, आपका
yeah.
पूरा डिजाइन लैंग्वेज चेंज हो गया, आपका कॉन्सेप्चुलाइजेशन ही
Yeah.
180 डिग्री फ्लिप होके उधर नॉर्थ से साउथ पोल चले गए. तो दैट आई फील समटाइम्स राइट नाउ इज द बिगेस्ट दिस थिंग, बिकॉज एंड ये ऐड होता है बिकॉज एक्सेसिबिलिटी. ये सोशल मीडिया सबसे बड़ा,
See,
एंड
that's
कंटेंट
the problem.
क्रिएटर्स,
That's the problem.
सॉरी नो ऑफेंस, बट कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स.
So yeah, basically the same thing I would was planning to make. सोच रहा था कि ये क्वेश्चन हमें पूछना चाहिए. Do you think influencers are ruining the streetwear in this scenario?
I think influencers are ruining everything for that. Not only just that. In general, I don't have any malice against them. I mean, you know, they have their own job to do or whatever. But I think, but yeah, like, you know, this is something I can't really comment about. मतलब कि मेरे को समझ नहीं है कि भाई गलत है या सही है, मेरे को नहीं पता, मेरे को समझ नहीं आता genuinely. I mean, they are not wrong. They are trying. जब भाई मेरे को भी कोई चीज से पैसा मिलेगा, like you know,
ऐसे तो सभी
तो
कमाते हैं
मैं
ना,
एग्जैक्टली
ऐसा-
ठीक है,
ऐसा तो सबको
तो
कमाना है.
हाँ वही, तो मैं फिर वही चीज करूंगा ना. सो आई कांट से दैट दे आर रॉन्ग, बट या बट आई थिंक स्टिल regardless of someone being right or wrong, sure I can have my own opinions, and I have my own opinion about that, which is basically like that there needs to be respect, at
Yeah.
least basic respect towards doing certain things in a certain way.
Correct.
Yeah. And authenticity.
Yeah, I hate.
Authentic.
Exactly.
You make content
Yeah.
is not a problem. Authenticity that you are actually believing in what you are saying and not just because you're
Yeah,
getting paid.
that's the whole idea. मतलब
Basically, I hate the like. It's actually I have a little different opinion. I feel that कि जैसे एक हाथे ताली नहीं बजती है.
हाँ
ये दोनों का प्रॉब्लम है,
दोनों.
इन्फ्लुएंसर एंड द ब्रांड.
Right.
And like I've seen like people messaging like मैं मेरे पास इतने followers हैं, ये हैं वो हैं, so I basically give me the clothes for free of cost and I'll promote it, make a reel.
Yeah.
I feel that there should be some other better way
Yeah,
when it comes down to actually influencing.
exactly.
And some influencers are really biased.
Yeah,
कि ये ब्रांड अच्छा है, वो ब्रांड अच्छा है, एक्स एंड वाई जी चलता रहता है और उनको ये पता है कि हाँ ये चीज आ जाएगी.
Yeah.
तो वही चीज आई फील लाइक इट्स नॉट करेक्ट in what's happening here, because I have a friend who stays in Europe. So she was basically, she had gone for studies and she was doing an internship at Foot Locker. So वहाँ पर मेरे को पता चला कि उधर कोई भी इन्फ्लुएंसर है उसको चीजें फ्री में नहीं मिलती है, बट एक प्लान बनाया जाता है where who actually the influencer is actually paying for the price.
yeah,
And I also feel like influencers literally need to basically respect the brand and the retailers.
yeah.
मैंने ये चीज यहाँ नोटिस की है guys. It is like not very new, it's बहुत पुराना चीज है. Influencers coming and trying the piece here and directly messaging the brand that yeah, I've tried this piece at there.
Yeah.
Yes. So basically send the piece. So the brand asks us like this size is there. I have something like I have to send it to an influencer. So I got to know and I was like भाई नहीं भेजूंगा.
नहीं, हाँ,
नहीं भेजूंगा.
exactly.
कर ले कुछ.
हाँ, बिल्कुल सही
कुछ
बात
भी
है.
करना है कर ले.
Exactly, हाँ.
You want the piece?
So he's
I'll
someone
not
like
send.
that for sure.
So वो चीज मेरे को बहुत अजीब
आगे
लगी.
ले लो.
Like retailer को respect करना बहुत जरूरी है. I
Yeah.
feel it's two-way.
It's a two-way street, for sure.
Two-way street. So
मेरे को लगता है थोड़े टाइम में ये इन्फ्लुएंसर बनने होंगे, बोलेंगे सेम हरकतें करें.
फिर मैं बोलूंगी आके ले लो.
उड़ा लो मेरी मजाक. उड़ा लो, मार लो मेरे को. So do you
मानता है कि नहीं?
मानता है भाई. इसी में पैर
Come on, man.
पैर दबाई.
So there are some inside jokes you guys won't understand.
Do brands care more about reels or they really care about content?
See, I think the trend is that it's trending right now
Okay,
to
the reels.
make clothes for Instagram.
Instagram.
I think that's the problem. मतलब मेरे को लगता है कि भाई बस तुम कपड़े ऐसे बना रहे हो जो इंस्टाग्राम पे अच्छे लगेंगे, पोस्ट कर रहे हो या कुछ. और सेकंड इज दैट you're literally a fashion victim and you're getting inspired by a brand name and you're doing that. मतलब कि बस मतलब वो समझ रहे हो, छाती पे लिखा हुआ है एक पर्टिकुलर ब्रांड का नेम या कुछ भी हो सकता है वो, and you're just inspired. मतलब you don't have any fashion sense that way कि you can take a call. I think in general this is not a so I think I've diverted from the whole thing. First of all, I think the problem is consumer right now. It's like वो बोलते हैं ना that the politician is basically the guy who will come from the public only. So if the public is not pure, the politician will be it's going to be a reflection of that. That's the problem. The influencer marketing or the influencers basically over here are the mirror of the society right now. तो वही सीन है भाई, यहाँ पे पब्लिक मतलब है चूतिया, तो क्या ही कर सकते हो आप.
अच्छा, इससे रिलेटेड एक चीज पूछनी है. अगर अभी तुमने बोला इंस्टाग्राम
Yeah.
के लिए सब कर रहे हैं, राइट? सो इमेजिन कल इंस्टाग्राम बंद हो गया.
हाँ.
सो
तो भाई आधे
अकॉर्डिंग टू यू
मैं गारंटी बता
तो
रहा हूँ.
ये बताओ कि
This is
कौन सा
something-
ब्रांड, फिर तुमको क्या लगता है कौन सा ब्रांड एक्चुअली
It'll
चल
go old
सकता
school
है?
then. It'll go old school then. It'll go old school.
तब क्या होगा?
Yeah, it'll
बंद
go
हो
old
गया
school. मतलब see, before Instagram also there were a lot of other brands that were doing really well, right?
Yeah.
They might have been doing from a retail point of view or whatever, but they were doing really well, right? I'm not saying we should go back to that. I'm not against. So if this narrative has become something like that, I'm totally against Instagram or influencer. No. I mean, the only thing is that things have not been used in the right most manner.
Yeah.
Like they just it's become, I know, like money is important, but it shouldn't be that important that you just fuck up everything.
Yeah, values
behind it.
and
Yeah,
morals.
I mean, I think that way I
There's
am a little old
something
school. I
yeah.
really respect values. I
Yeah.
really ठीक है, मतलब थोड़ा उसकी वजह से बिजनेस स्किल भी होता भी है, बट ठीक है, I think.
But yeah, ethics needs to be
Yeah,
there,
yeah,
na?
yeah. वो बहुत जरूरी है,
Like
you know.
ethical and
Yeah.
moral ground.
You can't stay long
You
there.
can't.
Yeah, you can make
otherwise
money.
you will make
Exactly.
money, and
Yeah.
then you will not be
Yeah.
able to survive for the longer time.
Exactly.
That sustainability will not come. Sustainability, I think, can come only when you're authentic and you are ethical
Yeah.
and morally in the right
Exactly.
frame of
exactly.
mind.
Exactly. एक तो मेरे को
Otherwise
सबसे बड़ा
तो-
लगता है, going out of the thing again, sustainability is the biggest scam right now.
हाँ, वो तो
भाई सबसे बड़ा scam sustainability.
I directly deal with the customers directly.
Yeah.
Okay. आज तक एक कस्टमर आके नहीं पूछा है कि कुछ
Sustainable
सस्टेनेबल है.
है.
Today also I shop. I pick what I like.
Yeah.
What looks good on. I don't care.
Yeah.
कौन सा ब्रांड है, कैसा है, क्या है. फॉर मीन सस्टेनेबिलिटी ऐसा हो गया है कि वो एक मार्केटिंग गिमिक लगता है.
हाँ भाई मैं वही तो मतलब you get the point now. Like my point is that okay, sustainability is really important, but fucking follow that properly from your heart. मतलब ये claim मत करो that you know you're a sustainable brand. Say maybe that you're thriving to be sustainable. You're trying to be sustainable. Like you know अभी कितनी सारी ब्रांड है डिजिटल प्रिंटिंग करा रही है, नेचुरल फैब्रिक्स पे बोल रही है हम सस्टेनेबल है. कहाँ से घंटा भाई नेचुरल फैब्रिक.
कब तक टिकेगा?
Exactly.
So for me, if I'm paying 8,000 rupees or 10,000 rupees for a shirt of jeans, भाई उसमें थोड़ा सा आर्टिफिशियल होना चाहिए कुछ,
या
तभी वो टिकेगी.
या
और आज के मतलब आज के जनरेशन और आज के फैशन के पर्सपेक्टिव से अगर देखा जाए, व्यू से देखा जाए, आई रियली डोंट केयर. जो भाई अच्छा दिख रहा है, अच्छा दिख रहा है.
Yeah.
वो वर्थ इट लगना चाहिए. अगर मैं 10,000 रुपीज खर्च कर रहा हूँ, मैं इसको कम से कम 10 बार तो पहनूं,
भाई
या उससे ज्यादा पहनूं.
30 at least.
हाँ.
I am the biggest believer into repetitive. I mean, you know, just repeating clothes. I mean, I have friends who literally, भाई तू बहुत ज़्यादा repeat करता है, मेरे को बोलते हैं मेरे दोस्त, but I just love to repeat. I think if you buy something and you can't wear it more than 30 times, why the hell have you gotten it?
Yeah.
Like, you know, I mean, I think that's where, but वही consumer पे वापस आ जाते हैं, फिर consumer mindset वाली बात आ जाती है.
हाँ, मतलब अभी डिपेंड करता है यार. मतलब अगर देखें एक पर्सपेक्टिव से कि अगर एक वाइट शर्ट है, वो वाइट शर्ट अगर आप पे अच्छी दिख रही है, उसमें अगर थोड़ा पॉलिएस्टर है तो खरीदो यार.
हाँ.
क्या प्रॉब्लम?
नहीं मेरे को उससे भी इशू है थोड़ा. आई थिंक द इशू इज बेसिकली माइक्रोप्लास्टिक. अभी इसमें सस्टेनेबिलिटी का पॉइंट नहीं है. द प्रॉब्लम इज दैट व्हेन यू वेयर पॉलिएस्टर, it the friction of it makes your like I mean in a very scientific term, microplastics enter your body through your pores, and I think that's the problem with polyester. Nothing else. Polyester is actually more sustainable than cotton for that matter.
Yeah.
ठीक है. 1 मीटर कॉटन बनाने में कम से कम 100 लीटर पानी लगता है शायद, ऐसा कुछ.
Yeah.
Some like a lot of water is consumed
obviously,
to just make 1 meter of cotton that we love to wear and we call it sustainable.
Okay.
But वो sustainable नहीं है फिर. Polyester का क्या है भाई, वो आराम से बन जाता है. So for sure, like in a certain way, but फिर अब वो sustainable इसलिए भी नहीं है because क्या बोलते हैं, biodegradable नहीं है, उसको time लगेगा, like you know. So like yeah, we've got our own issues, but I think we kind of, you know, that's where that utility, that's where logic needs to come in the whole thing. That you know, you make certain things that are solving problems.
करेक्ट. उसमें भी ऐसा हो जाता है कि समटाइम्स लाइक पीपल हु क्लेम दे आर सस्टेनेबल, दे आर यूजिंग दिस एज अ मार्केटिंग एंड
हाँ.
दे टेल दे आई फील
yeah.
लाइक कि टैगलाइन लिमिटेड ड्रॉप्स.
Exactly.
लिमिटेड ड्रॉप्स सस्टेनेबिलिटी. लाइक
Yeah.
डू यू थिंक दैट लिमिटेड ड्रॉप्स बोल के कुछ है कि ये सच में होता है कि इट इज जस्ट मार्केटिंग गिमिक?
मेरे को लगता है लिमिटेड ड्रॉप मतलब अच्छा है बुरा अलग चीज है, बट it's surely a good way to make money. You know, like to overprice your product. And I'm not saying it's not worth it. मतलब ऐसे कुछ limited drops अच्छे भी होते हैं यार. मतलब you know, they are genuinely nice pieces that you, and for sure, like you know, if you have a lot of money and you want to look a little exclusive, you don't want to see a shirt, I mean that's your like you know, preference. कि मेरे को I don't want to see the same clothes that I'm wearing on a different person. Because I have so much money, तो वो एक, then you know, that's another story only altogether. But मेरे को लगता है कि limit पर it's very contradictory, like honestly, कि सही भी है गलत भी है, but क्या कर सकते हो, मतलब सारी ब्रांच करती है. I mean, lot of people do it.
So अगर इसी टॉपिक पे Coromandel is niche या Coromandel wants to be mass?
भाई
नहीं बोल पाएगा।
अगर मास मैं बोल दूंगा, मैं बोल देता हूँ, मास हो गया, पैसे आ जाएंगे, बढ़िया है, बट मास हो नहीं पाएगा अगर मैं रियलिस्टिकली, वो पता होना चाहिए आदमी को कि भाई मैं मास बना सकता हूँ, नहीं मास बना सकता हूँ, मेरे को कुछ और ब्रांड खोलनी पड़ेगी मास बनाने के लिए, अगर उतना ही पैसा कमाना है तो। आइडियोलॉजी नहीं मैच होती कोरोमंडल की उसके साथ, क्योंकि
हाँ, तो ब्रांड बेसिकली मास के लिए है ही नहीं
मतलब
ना।
हाँ, ब्रांड
तुम्हारा-
मास के लिए बन सकता है, बट फिर वो स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट ऑफ वही वो होना चाहिए। अब मैंने मार्केटिंग वैसे नहीं करा, लाइक आई हैव नॉट डन दैट काइंड ऑफ स्टफ ओनली, सो आई कांट, बट हाँ, अगर इफ इट स्टार्ट्स बिकमिंग मासी, देन मैं मतलब कल को मैं गलत नहीं बोल सकता भाई, अब मेरे तो कितने ज्यादा कपड़े बिक जाए मेरे लिए, तो लाइक यू नो दैट्स ग्रेट फॉर मी, राइट? लाइक द मोर दैट आई सेल, द बेटर इट इज फॉर मी.
Yeah.
So, but I don't think I see Coromandel being like a massy brand, like you know, a commercial brand that way. If you rightly you use the right word for it.
Understood.
So do you think like यहाँ पर जो स्ट्रीटवेयर का सिनेरियो है, do you see competition or do you think that कि नहीं, आप उससे आप इंस्पिरेशन लेते हैं, ये अच्छा बनाया है, ये अच्छा बनाया है? How do you think, like what when you see other brands pieces?
एक तो अभी 13 बियर की जो हम बातें कर रहे थे, मेरे को लगता है शराब पी के आदमी ना they just start loving things. ठीक है, this just start appreciating things. I think that shouldn't be stopped. Like appreciate a lot. ये जो वो मतलब ठीक है, हाँ थोड़ा बहुत किसी को जेलेसी किसको नहीं होती भाई, किसी को देखते हो बढ़िया तुम लोग, like you know they're doing something, you know you get a you get jealousy, you get these emotions, but I think those emotions need to be used in the right way. कि मतलब then you need, like you know, make it the fuel for motivation कि भाई मेरे को भी करना है कुछ अच्छा, like you know if I start thinking कि वो इतना पढ़ाई कर रहा है, नहीं होना चाहिए उसका ऐसा, then there is, फिर मैं तो कुछ कर ही नहीं पाऊंगा जिंदगी में, मतलब। और मैंने तो कोई ऐसा बंदा अभी तक कोई like you know पता नहीं, अब like you know from the inside they're like that, I really don't know, but I really haven't seen anyone sitting at a great level of their life who actually have this mindset.
Yeah.
Like you know, I mean मैं बोलता हूँ कि अगर ये mindset है भी तो भी चेंज कर, मतलब कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, बट चेंज कर लो भाई, मतलब वो कंपटीशन वाला जो सीन है ना, मतलब you can't live in so much anxiety.
Yeah, and you're putting pressure on yourself
Yeah.
to be na before somebody. Anyways, world will
Exactly.
pressurize you.
Yeah.
But उसके पहले also you're trying to pressurize yourself because
वो क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ खत्म हो गई ना आपकी,
you're not.
अगर आप पूरे टाइम यही
thinking
सोच रहे हो.
of it to be something that you can
Yeah.
learn of, but something more that you need to defend somehow
Yeah.
by achieving or doing. things.
Exactly.
You know?
Like create something from your heart genuinely.
Yeah.
मतलब तुम्हें लग रहा है भाई दूसरी ब्रांड बढ़िया कर रही है, दूसरा, it could be not just for fashion brands, could be for any business, any goddamn business. You feel the other person is doing great. Think about how can you make something much better. Like you know, create something from the heart. मतलब भाई मेरे को लगता है अगर एक आदमी दिल से कुछ बनाएगा ना, कभी भी they can't go wrong, bro.
Yeah, that's
For a
that's
fact.
true.
आप लोगों ने ब्रांड दिल से बनाई है, you have recovered all the money that you have invested. जो the discussion that we have had, you are making a lot of money on everything. Why? Because you created this with like you know that the right intention. कि हाँ भाई हम लोग को homegrown brand को promote करना है. There are a lot of other platforms that are keeping a lot of homegrown brands, but if you will ask a lot of other fashion brands, are they making money at those stores? No. Why? Because they don't. I mean, I'm not saying they don't have the right intention, but surely there's something wrong about it. मतलब कुछ लोगों के साथ तो clearly there is some wrong intention only, कि मतलब सिर्फ पैसे कमाने हैं, सिर्फ भाई जिसमें वो जो आ रहा है.
Yeah, I know few brands like they
Yeah.
are only interested into basically selling their products
Yeah.
rather than having relations.
Yeah.
Exactly.
That also, like, yeah, to add to that, the earlier question that he asked me कि problem क्या face होती है, मतलब हाँ, I understand sales करना है,
Important है भाई, वो तो मतलब
volume
ठीक है.
आना चाहिए,
That's the most important thing, for
product
sure.
भी move होना
For
चाहिए,
sure.
इसीलिए दुकान खोल के रखा है ना.
Exactly.
नहीं करना होता
हाँ.
तो दुकान भी नहीं खोलने की.
बट अच्छे दिल से
जरूरत
पैसे कमा सकते हो भाई,
Right.
ऐसी
But
बात नहीं है.
एक सिर्फ उतना नहीं हो सकता अभी. You need to also understand, reciprocate, comprehend,
Exactly.
work together.
Yeah. Yeah.
You are working as collaborators because I'm at मतलब as in we are in the front end of the things while you are actually in the back end of creating the product,
Yeah.
in the whole supply chain of things.
Exactly.
Yes, you're creating the product, but how is it reaching that end? Before it's reaching that end customer, there is somebody
lot
else
of
na, in the middle.
lot of things in
Lot
the
of
middle,
things
yeah.
in the middle.
Yeah.
And also then before you are creating, you are procuring.
Yeah.
So you have आपके fabrics, आपके vendors, आपके partners, so it's a whole collaboration,
Yeah.
right? And you need to understand and collaborate.
Exactly.
And how you can make your end product be good.
There with having a
And
win-win.
then have your volume.
Having a win-win
And then
for
you
everyone,
have a
yeah.
win-win this thing for every. this
Exactly.
thing. तो वो मतलब
That is really
लोगों को
important.
समझ थोड़ा
नहीं आता
कम
वो
आता है,
भाई।
थोड़ा कम, सबका नहीं.
हाँ मतलब
but
वो मेरे
थोड़ा
को
कम
समझ नहीं
तो
आता
होता है।
क्यों कमाते हैं. मेरे को लगता है मतलब कि
हाँ.
कोई भी आदमी अपने बाप दादा से बैठ के पूछेगा when they opened up a business, कोई कभी नहीं बोलेगा भाई मैंने बैड फेथ में स्टार्ट करा या मैंने मतलब यू नो एवरीवन वुड से हैव द राइट इंटेंशन. कभी सही कोई भी लाइक यू नो एनी राइट बिजनेसमैन will tell you कि भाई I had a great relation with my clients. I did certain things for them. I went out of the way.
Yeah, you have to go. मतलब
Exactly.
ये people तो and thanks Gen Z, इतने पैसे में इतना ही मिलेगा.
वो मैं एक पॉडकास्ट में एक बंदा कुछ ऐसा कुछ बोल रहा. I don't remember the exact guy, the exact thing, but they were talking about like you know why certain services like hospitality is such a great like you know certain hospitality businesses are doing so great because they have such a nice after service.
Yeah.
एक मतलब कि that example was कि बंदा फोन रेस्टोरेंट में भूल गया और बोलते हैं कि भाई उसने कॉल बैक करा रेस्टोरेंट पे, वो रेस्टोरेंट वाले ने अपने से स्पेशली उसको पार्सल करवा दिया. They didn't ask for the money, they didn't do anything. That extra thing that they did, done in good
Sticks
faith,
with you.
that guy recommended that place to every goddamn person he knew ki bhai you have to go there 100%. So I'm saying that like you know when you do certain things with a good like you know intention, you end up making really great you know companions around you for that matter. They're not your clients anymore, they're not your business partners anymore, they're not your collaborators anymore. Like you know that's really important. I think you know if someone can't do that and they're just for the money game then तो भाई मेरे को लगता है थोड़ा है. बट मेरे को लगता है जब मैं इतना ज्ञान पैसे कमा के छू दूंगा तब अच्छा लगेगा.
Like what part of your brand like people don't see it but you only see as a founder?
I think the real utility part. There are so many pieces which had extreme utility in them. Not like too many pockets or anything, but just extreme utility in them. And they were outperformed by things that were just very basic from my thing only. So like, you know, doing those things, it like, you know, these kind of things surely demotivate you to not make those things. But I think still what I'm thinking right now, it is going to be like, you know, people are going to realize it. Like, you know, the kind of utility that I'm really doing, that is the part that I really want.
Why do you think people pick basic stuff over utility? What
Because
would be
they
the-
want to play safe, which is they're not wrong.
That's I feel it's very stupid. They don't
Yeah.
want to experiment. I also
Exactly.
seen with the customers here.
Yeah.
Like they don't care about experimental stuff, but they want very basic stuff. भाई basic के लिए आपको streetwear store पे आने की जरूरत नहीं है.
हाँ.
You can go to Zara.
Exactly.
You can go to H&M.
You're so right. Don't play safe at a streetwear store.
अगर मेरे को आज
हाँ.
प्लेन टी शर्ट चाहिए रहेगा, मैं 4,000 रुपये नहीं पे करूंगा.
Exactly.
प्लेन टी शर्ट 1,500 रुपये में मिल जाएगी मेरे को Zara में.
आराम से.
बट यहाँ पर आके आप प्लेन टी शर्ट मांगोगे तो कौन देगा?
हाँ.
नहीं, कोई कहीं नहीं मिलेगा आपको प्लेन टी शर्ट पहनते. एक तो स्ट्रीटवेयर इज समथिंग फॉर मी, it needs to have something.
Yeah.
It needs to be different, that when you are walking or when you're talking to someone, people should stare at you. That's attention
Yeah.
is very
Exactly.
required.
Yeah.
Streetwear is like attention.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is
you,
intense.
you wear it so that you.
मैं ये जीन्स पहन के नीचे घूमता हूँ और ये जीन्स पहन के बैंड्रा में घूमता हूँ, 4 लोग पूछते हैं ये जीन्स कहाँ से है?
मैंने खुद ही पूछा आपसे.
आपने खुद पूछा, सोचो. So for me, like, it really matters. Like, if I have to look really good, I have to look at a piece which is not normal.
Yeah, that is for a fact. Yeah, मैं अब इसमें I don't think I can commend that people should wear certain things out of their color comfort. For that matter, your denims are very little experimental, but they're monotone.
Yeah.
So मतलब मेरे को लगता है experiment भी अगर उतना नहीं कर रहा ना, तो एक limit में रह के भी experiment. But that's what, like, people should experiment. The problem is, I swear, this is something that I feel specifically with like a lot of people, that they're actually fashion victims. मतलब कितनी सारी ब्रांड है जो बस ऐसे चल गई है बिकॉज दे क्रिएटेड अ नेम, पीपल सॉ उसको पहनते हुए, लाइक दे वुड गो टू लाइक
फ्लेक्स
या वो फ्लेक्स की वजह से बस फेमस हो गई। और भाई लोग बस उससे भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं है कि फेमस हो गई, पर वो बढ़िया बात है भाई, मतलब कोई अच्छा कर रहा है लाइफ में तो सही बात है, वो भी इंडियन तो अच्छा ही कर रहा है। बट भाई कम से कम तुम देख के मत पहनो यार, मतलब यू नो हैव योर ओन सेंसिबिलिटी कि भाई
तूने भी पहना है, मैं भी पहनूं।
वो लॉजिक गलत है
वो मेरे को
लोगों के साथ। या लाइक आई हैव सो मेनी फ्रेंड्स, आई मीन ऑनेस्टली आई विल एक्सेप्ट, आई हैव गॉट सो मेनी फ्रेंड्स हु आर फैशन विक्टिम्स।
उनको मेरे से मिलो।
मतलब हमको तो ऐसा लगता है कि मतलब अगर किसी और ने पहना हुआ है तो मैं चाहिए ही नहीं मुझे कबर्ड में
हाँ,
मेरे, बिकॉज ऑलरेडी मैं उसके ऊपर देख चुकी हूँ।
वही बात, एग्जैक्ट वो बात सही है, like, you know,
Right.
yeah,
You don't think
for me streetwear is exclusivity.
yeah.
मैं अगर एक चीज पहना हूँ, मेरे को दिखना भी नहीं चाहिए मेरे 50 मीटर के रेडियस में कि कोई ऐसा कुछ पहना है।
हाँ,
बहुत अजीब लगता है। और अभी कैसा है कि लाइक स्नीकर्स के साथ भी एक ऐसा फेज आया था, एक कस्टमर था मेरे से स्टोर पे आके पूछा था कि वे आई कैन गेट हाइप स्नीकर्स एंड आई गिव XYZ का नेम। तो यार वहाँ के बंदे जो बेच रहे वो भी पहने वही चीज, मेरे को वो चाहिए नहीं। मेरे को ऐसी अलग शूज चाहिए जो कोई पहना नहीं। और वैसे भी मैं भी अगर जब स्नीकर्स कलेक्ट करना चालू किया था, मैं जॉर्डन्स नहीं खरीदता था लिटरली, कि मैं जॉर्डन से ही स्टार्ट किया हूँ।
मैं तो बोर हूँ,
मैं अपने वही शूज लेता था जो मेरे लिए परफेक्ट दिखते थे।
बिल्कुल।
जैसे A6 जेल लाइट 3
हाँ।
कोई नहीं पहनता भाई, वो शूज कोई नहीं पहनता है। बहुत रेयरली कोई देखेंगे, आप देखोगे जापान साइड में देखोगे ज्यादा और यूरोप में देखोगे, यहाँ कोई देखते हैं और उस शू की वैल्यू है। सो दैट्स हाउ आई मेक माई सेल्फ लाइक अ लिटिल डिफरेंट। तो आप अगर वही चीज पहन रहे हो जो चीज लोग पहन ही रहे हैं, तब आई फील इट्स मास। For me, it is mass.
It becomes massy for sure. But मेरे को लगता है यार, you know, there are lot of different schools of thoughts on this.
Yeah.
कि मतलब ये हाँ,
Yeah,
मतलब आप बोल नहीं
it's
सकते
their own
गलत है सही है,
statement,
मतलब, हाँ,
you have your own fashion statement
yeah,
and you have
like,
your own individuality
exactly.
which actually is supposed to come out. So I
Yeah.
say there's nothing wrong, right? But it's just
there's nothing
like,
wrong and right, but I still
Yeah.
think that, you know, what you say is true in a way, because at least that, you know, coming back to this identity, like, you know, if this is what I love about, I mean, a lot of people, that when I see someone having a great identity, like, because you know we are from a design background, तो मैं देखता हूँ ऐसे बाकी, मतलब, you know, not naming things or whatever, but yeah, like, you know, people working in certain great design companies for that matter, and having their lovely fashion style, they look different, they love that attention also, but they have that identity. That identity, I think anyone can create for themselves. It's like, it is so important to make that for yourself, like, you know, I mean, you know, you really enhance yourself when you create that identity, like, you know, when you have that. I mean, for that matter, I have, like, my aunt works at Good Earth. So Good Earth, and unka like she has got a friend who is the would like to name only Rajiv. This guy is the creative head of Nicobar. So every time I've seen him, he's wearing these cool dhotis and he's wearing these cool accessories. I look at him, I'm like, yeah, he's got a great personality. Like, you know, he's got that storytelling about himself.
yeah.
Like, you know, that's what's lacking with most people. Like, you know,
Build your own aura.
Yeah,
that
like,
aura
exactly.
needs to.
yeah, I
come
think
through.
people need to, वो काले कपड़े पहन लिए, safe लग रहे हैं, मोटे नहीं लग रहे, like, थोड़ा कभी अगली लगोगे भाई,
काले
पर
कपड़े
पता चलेगा ना कि किस में अगली लग रहे हो, किसी में बढ़िया लग रहे हो.
काले कपड़े भी पहनो बट झकास लगो।
हाँ, exactly.
बनी हुआ।
Exactly, मतलब black में, you know, you can fucking experiment with black also. But
Now,
people don't want to.
even लोग भी बोलते हैं कि भाई ब्लैक, पूरा ब्लैक पहन रहा है, उसके बाद जूते क्या पहन।
हाँ,
यार मैं इसमें दिमाग लगाने की जरूरत नहीं है। Either if you like you want to play safe, then you obviously have to wear
Yeah.
black shoes.
Yeah.
If you want to look little different, then you will wear white shoes or red shoes.
Yeah.
If you want to be like out of the blocks, wear something which is patent or something crazy color.
yeah,
So it will be out of the box because
Yeah.
आप ऊपर से लेके नीचे तक तो पूरा डार्क हो, आपको आपके चेहरे को कोई देखेगा ही नहीं।
Exactly.
नीचे देखे अरे क्या झकास जूता पहना। So now some advices for the audience I would like from your end.
Yeah.
Like what's one wardrobe mistake people repeat?
I think either being too safe or experimenting too much. कि मतलब जूते भी अतरंगी, पैंट भी अतरंगी शर्ट भी अतरंगी,
हाँ
वो एक इशू हो जाता है.
हाँ
मेरे को
वो
लगता है.
टू मच हो जाता है.
You have to play safe at one game. I think the best way for people who don't want to experiment, if you want to experiment, I think still you can take it to at least 2 levels. कि भाई जूते और ट्राउजर एक्सपेरिमेंटल कर लिया.
भाई वो जो अभी ट्रेंड चल रहा है ना, ओल्ड मनी,
हाँ
मैं बड़ा छपरी दिखता हूँ.
सही में भाई. मतलब
वो ओल्ड मनी और वो क्या बोलते हैं वो जीन्स, फ्लैट जीन्स. मैंने एक बार ट्राई की थी फ्लैट जीन्स. 3 चीज मैंने सीख लिया लाइफ में. ओल्ड मनी लुक, आई लिटरली लुक चू. ठीक है भाई, मेरे लिए बनी नहीं है चीज. मैं उसमें गरीब दिखता हूँ.
but you see you experimented, now you know that, right? And
Yeah.
that's what.
सेकंड, एक लोफर्स.
Yeah.
मैं लिटरली लोफर दिखता
सही में
हूँ.
भाई लोफर मेरे को भी चूतिया लगता
इसने बोला था लोफर खरीदने के लिए, तो मैं जब बोला मैं अच्छा नहीं लगते तो मानती नहीं. फिर मैंने इसने बोला कि चलो, then I was like let's go and I'll show you. When I was wearing those loafers, I like remove it, you look loafer.
मैंने ही बोला लोफर.
लोफर.
और ये थर्ड जो आजकल का जो ट्रेंड चल रहा है, फ्लैट. मतलब हाँ, मेरे को तो मेरे जांघों पे बहुत प्रॉब्लम होता है, मतलब टाइट हो जाती है और मेरे को अजीब सा थोड़ा गर्ली लगता है मेरे.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So what do you think? What is the 3 things no for you?
I think first of all, no matter how great it looks, it needs to be comfortable. Come here, yes sir.
Look who's joining.
Look,
Who is joining? The smartest boy.
the OG,
The smartest boy.
the
on the
PS dog.
So yeah. So 3 no things for you in fact.
First of all, if it looks great but it's not comfortable, fuck it.
Okay.
Second, don't experiment too much. Like तीनों में एक्सपेरिमेंट मत करो भाई.
हाँ,
मतलब ठीक है.
चीज़ों में.
मतलब I love guys who experiment and still अगर कोई 3 में एक्सपेरिमेंट करके आएगा मैं जज नहीं करूंगा. But that's just me.
But तुम अंदर से बोलोगे तुम जूती हो.
क्या हाँ मतलब नहीं, मैं अंदर से भी नहीं बोलूंगा. बोलूंगा कि भाई like maybe he's discovering, you know, what looks good. मेरे को लगता है, you know, that I mean if you go back to Hollywood, Bollywood for that matter, you remember that कुछ कुछ होता है. So Kajol was looking so fucked up when she wears that pink thing, and you know that. But then she looks so pretty when, you know, so she's got the style. Like, you know, that's the idea. Like finding your style, where you look great, what's your scope of experimentation for that matter, and what's your bandwidth in general. Like, you know, but I still think the third thing would be playing it too safe.
Yeah.
कि भाई बस black pants, midnight blue tee and black shoes or white shoes or whatever the fuck it is. When I see someone like that, they might look good, but I think they're not adding anything to the value. Like, you know, I mean, there is a, yeah, that's lacking value in a certain way.
Okay.
To me, like personally, and for sure that's the safest. Like, मेरे को इस बात पे कितने लोग चूतिए बोलेंगे कि भाई उसमें ही बढ़िया लग रहे हैं तो भाई क्यों ना पहने. लॉजिक सही है बिल्कुल, पर मेरे को लगता है स्टिल पीपल शुड एक्सपेरिमेंट. मैं खुद भी पहनता हूँ कभी कभार. लाइक, यू नो, आई जस्ट लव टू समटाइम्स यू वांट टू वेयर बेसिक्स, बट आई नो दैट आई एक्सपेरिमेंट. पीपल हु आर ऑलवेज प्लेइंग इट सेफ, मेरे को लगता है थोड़ा तो भाई अपने
खुल
छेद में
जाओ.
जाओ, मोटिवेशन
खुल
दो.
जाओ.
क्या इन चुदैया निकालो यार.
निकालो अंदर से पर्सनालिटीज बाहर.
Exactly.
ओके चलो.
What about you? आप अपना जवाब तो दीजिए.
मैं क्वेश्चन ही भूल गई.
What are the
IQ level है ही नहीं. कहाँ गए? 3 no things basically in fashion for you.
big nose?
Bodycon dresses, bodycon body hugging things.
Okay,
Very
yeah,
bad.
Okay.
Looks
Till time you're like really
cheap.
fit.
Still looks, it doesn't look fashionable.
Yeah.
You are looking good because you have a good body and that's why you like वो बंदा या बंदी अच्छी लग रहा होगा,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
वो एकदम and both boys men also like tight fitting t-shirt की बस सब दिख रहा है. I think that body cons or body hugging things are like a big no. Second, I think again, yeah, like too much statement pieces can't be worked together.
Yeah.
Like-
Too many of them, right? Yeah.
Too much statement हो जाता है फिर वो, which I feel is like a disaster and not a fashion.
It is. I totally agree.
You
yeah.
become a fashion disaster rather than the fashion star that you
Yeah,
wanted to be.
yeah.
And I also think that you need to dress your age, or you should know how you're looking when you're like, for that matter, like a teenager can also look old just because of the way
They dress.
they have dressed
True.
themselves up.
True.
Or an old person can look as young as a teenager just because the way they have
Fair
dressed
enough.
themselves.
Agreed. Yeah.
So dress as per your age. I feel
Yeah.
dress your age.
I think you're right.
Yeah.
But say, you know what? I'd like to cut you on that. Sometimes I see, like, you know, like a 40-50-year-old wearing streetwear clothing.
Yeah. No,
And
I'm
they-
not having a
हाँ,
problem.
मतलब यहाँ पे
But
मैं
I'm
confused-
just saying, no. Dress your age as in you should. Abhi, you can wear what you're comfortable in, and definitely if you think like that 50-year-old, suppose he's wearing
Wearing
streetwear,
yeah.
okay, but he's able to pull it off.
Yeah.
That awareness he
That,
has,
yeah,
na?
yeah, exactly.
राइट अभी सेम थिंग मे बी यार पेरेंट्स को हम बोलेंगे कि स्ट्रीटवेयर पहनो तो वो
तो हाँ,
नहीं
नहीं
पुल
पहने
ऑफ
भाई,
कर
वो नहीं कर
पाएंगे
पाएंगे,
और
सही
उन
में।
पे अच्छा भी नहीं लगेगा
Exactly.
बिकॉज उनका पर्सनैलिटी एक तरीके से बिल्ड है तो बट नॉलेज तो होना चाहिए कि मेरे पे क्या अच्छा लग रहा है और
Yeah.
क्या अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है
Yeah.
जरूरी नहीं है अगेन फॉलोइंग गिमिक टू द मार्केटिंग गिमिक्स और गेटिंग फैशन विक्टिम्स
Yeah.
सिमिलर टू दैट
exactly.
सेंस
Yeah. No, yeah. Now I understand.
What's an underrated piece that you would recommend everybody needs to have? It can be anything. It can be anything.
Like a particular style or like, you know,
Anything. Anything. It can be a shirt, pants, jeans, cargo pants, anything. Bandana, cap.
oh, that way. Like, you know, you can name accessories also.
Yeah, anything.
Yeah. Let me think about it. Like, give me like a minute because this is actually a very cool question. I really want to answer. Like, you know, I mean, probably say the right thing. Fuck it. Doesn't matter. But I think watches are going away. Like, I'm not wearing a watch right now.
Yeah.
I think
Cool watch.
Yeah, like a cool watch. Like, I think.
It doesn't have to be expensive.
Yeah, and play safe with watches.
But yeah, it needs to have a. I feel
Statement.
it should be a watch brand, not
Yeah.
a fashion brand.
Yeah.
Watch.
Like, I've recently seen like people have just stopped wearing watches now.
Yeah.
Like, I think it was so cool to just wear a watch. Like, you know, I mean, I'm not wearing one, so I'm not supporting what I'm really saying right now. But I think just like, you know, going a little old school, I mean, yeah, that'd be fun for sure.
Okay. How someone should start their new collection? Like, let's say I am the one.
Who wants
If I
to,
have money,
yeah.
I want to buy something. How would you recommend me to pick pieces, build a wardrobe which lasts?
Yeah.
ऐसा नहीं कि मैं 2 महीने पहना फिर मैं छोड़ ही दिया पहन नहीं रहा.
Exactly. No, like you're saying, you're asking if how to build a wardrobe.
Yeah, how to build
or
a
how
wardrobe, which
to
lasts.
open up a brand.
No, not a brand.
Brand, ना मतलब
Audience.
हाँ
Audience,
मतलब
yeah.
उसके लिए.
Audience.
ठीक है. Like how to build. I think something that I think just look at the cloth, look at the garment, and ask yourself, can I wear it more than 30 times? Like मेरे पास cupboard में मैं तो I am going a little minimal that way. मैं फेंक देता हूँ मतलब मेरे को लगता है कुछ तो I either give it away or I like I discard it somehow. But now I started asking myself this question when I'm buying something: can I wear it more than 30 times? Like, and it could be experimental for sure, but can I still wear it 30 times? If that piece says कि नहीं मैंने इसको एक बार पहना and then I'm going to feel uncomfortable wearing it the second time because maybe it's too I don't know, like it could be any logic behind it. Like I'm saying so much contradictory things in its own way, but I think that's how I am, that's how people should be as well. I mean, just
True.
like
That's basically I feel basically I somewhere agree to this, but in my opinion I feel like people should pick the colors they actually make them look good.
yeah, understanding your I totally agree with that. Like understanding what color looks good with you. Like I think that's where the scope of experimentation gets fucked.
Correct.
Like you're wearing the wrong colors for your body.
Correct.
Or the way you look, or the way the complexion you've got, or the probably how short, tall, whatever you are. Like like understanding your anatomy and then deciding what will look good on you.
Yeah,
That is something, people. You're right.
correct. I've seen your clothing. I like the way you wear. That's really
Thank you so much.
amazing. Yeah. So अभी हम लोग थोड़ा फन करते हैं.
let's
quick
do
fire word,
Rapid
one word,
fire.
rapid fire round करते हैं.
इसको ऐसे फिर इधर
हाँ भाई, शॉर्ट वर्ड लाओ भाई, तेरा बेर की बातें हो गई हैं.
अरे बियर मंगाना पड़ेगा. So okay, let's start. I'll ask you one. Okay. Comfort or hype?
Comfort for me.
Skinny jeans or flat jeans?
Not flare,
Chicky.
skinny then.
Okay.
my real choice is only baggy, wide leg,
Yeah,
balloon, all these.
Craft or scale?
craft.
Okay. White t-shirt or graphical white t-shirt?
White t-shirt,
Okay.
Classic.
classic.
Neutral or statement?
Statement.
Hype shoes or local shoes?
No, sir. Shoes, I think.
No, you have to. I did. Baba, I need
Why?
only. आओ ना अपने इसमें.
Explanation डाल दो.
Like you like.
लोकल अरे लोकल शूज मतलब मेड इन इंडियन शूज.
Nah.
आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट बाय
No
द.
made in India shoes.
नहीं भाई ये लोग नहीं मेहनत करते भाई यहाँ पे.
नहीं cancel.
मतलब there are certain Indian brands that are doing good also, like वो
Yeah.
अच्छा
वो
बना
अच्छा
रहे
है, but no
But
Indian
हाँ,
shoes.
मतलब-
फिर hype.
हैं. हाँ exactly.
Trend or timeless?
Timeless.
Timeless. What about you? Trend or timeless?
Timeless.
I think yeah, trend is the thing. वही Instagram वाला scene हो गया ना फिर तो.
Studio or store?
Interesting.
इसका जवाब तो मुझे पता है मेरे लिए. तुम सोचो.
I think, but I have to understand this question. Explain studio or store.
स्टूडियो हो गया भाई जहाँ आप
नहीं वो मैं समझ गया.
कारखाना भी खोले
नहीं,
हुए
वो
हो.
मैं लॉजिक समझ गया.
हाँ.
स्टूडियो और लाइक बोथ आर
आप क्या खोलना चाहोगे?
भाई
हाँ.
बोथ आर इम्पोर्टेंट. भाई स्टूडियो के बिना भाई जो स्टोर नहीं चलेगा.
अरे वो तो पता है.
Yeah.
बट आपके फर्स्ट प्रेफरेंस क्या होगी हमेशा?
स्टूडियो फॉर श्योर.
हाँ तो आप पिक करो ना स्टूडियो.
हाँ सॉरी
बहुत सारे ब्रांड है जो उनके पास स्टूडियो नहीं है बट स्टोर है.
स्टोर है. हाँ एग्जैक्टली.
इसलिए. सो फॉर यू बूट्स और हील्स?
Heels. Boot. Heels.
एक बोल रहा है.
बोथ. यू कैन से बोथ आल्सो.
डर्टी जीन्स और क्लीन जीन्स?
Dirty jeans.
डर्टी जीन्स.
I like why dirty jeans. Like, you know, I really love to just take my jeans, wear them, worn them out, and then मतलब मेरा बस चले तो मैं अपनी जीन्स को लेके स्टोन वॉश घर पे कर करके वॉशिंग मशीन में डाल के उसको फेड कर करके मैं पहनूंगा उसके बाद. I think that you know that gives me yeah. Next collection में आ रही हो. Like,
वही मतलब
50 wash pants.
50 से 50 shades.
We'll price it like that or 50 wash pants.
डायमंड और गोल्ड?
Diamond.
टी शर्ट और शर्ट?
That's a tricky one. Can we say both?
नो.
यार
T-shirt.
टी शर्ट.
नहीं शर्ट. अभी मैं मोटा हूँ ना थोड़ा.
ओवर साइज टी शर्ट्स भी आती है.
But still, I think yeah.
वॉच और ज्वेलरी?
Jewelry.
Okay. That's it. So now, just I have like two more important questions to ask.
For sure.
So I would like to know, how do you feel when you see someone wearing your piece? Before I close this, I just wanted to ask these two questions. So how do you feel when if you like in the market you saw like हाँ भाई एक बंदे ने या बंदी ने पहना है आपका पीस? How do you feel? क्या कैसा फीलिंग कैसा आता है कि वो उसने कैसे स्टाइल किया है, अच्छे से किया है, कैसे नहीं किया है?
Yeah.
How do you feel that? What's your feeling? I want express us.
Yeah. I think if I just see someone wearing my clothes, or I think no matter how I sound right now, but fuck that. I really think that they have understood, like you know, they have liked it because of storytelling. They have liked it because of a reason. Matlab, I mean, for sure, given the reason that at the store people explain the utility that you know that my clothes have and everything, I would call them sensible.
बड़ा सेफ खेलता है.
खुद भी तो एक्सपेरिमेंट करो.
Experiment पर यार मेरे को मैं क्या ही बोलूं, मतलब किसी मेरे कपड़े ऐसे अगर पहन ली, like I be the only thing that's going to make me feel is like happy for sure. मतलब खुश तो मैं होऊंगा ही भाई.
2 साल के बाद आपका आप अपने ब्रांड के साथ क्या क्या देख रहे हो, मतलब आपने फॉर द नेक्स्ट 2 years एंड a message about wash care. That's very important. That's actually a very
I
gimmick
love to.
in
Yeah.
like मशीन हर चीज क्यों यूज करना चाहिए.
हाँ.
ये चीजें जो हैं वो आप बताइए ऑडियंस को, और ये भी बताइए आप 2 साल के बाद क्या देख रहे हैं कोरोमंडल. हाउ where do you see your कोरोमंडल?
So like I said, you know, wearing a piece for more than 20 times is important, but how do you wear it 20 times? By taking care of it in the right ways. I think if you got basic stuff like white shirt, black shirt, basic colors, you can throw them away in the washing machine and wash them. But if you got a t-shirt that you really love, if you denims don't wash only till the time literally they just stain. Like, you know, stop washing your denims.
Yeah.
Like, just wash them probably, I would say, once in a month for hygienic purposes. Otherwise, don't wash them at all. T-shirts, stop washing them. Like, you know, just give them a cold wash. And now that we are living in this world where a lot of things are available to us at, like, you know,
Fingertips.
like so goddamn fast. I think there are these things that can totally help you out with just stain removal, where you know you don't have to. Washing a piece surely takes away its life. So hygiene is important. You take that in mind, but I would say cold wash things. Start cold washing things rather than putting them in a hot, like, you know, giving them a hot water wash or hot water bath. Hot water wash or
He's becoming kinky. थोड़ा नेगेटिव सोचता है ये. थोड़ा नॉनवेज है.
भाई सुसु आ रहा है भाई, देर से रोक के बैठा
बियर पीने बोला था मैंने. Anyway, so don't give your clothes hot water bath.
hot water bath. Please don't do that. Yeah, just like cold wash them. Cold wash your clothes. That is my like advice to everyone if they want to have certain longevity to a garment that they really love. कि बार बार पहनने तो भाई वो लॉजिक है. और
And
दूसरा एक और आपने क्या क्वेश्चन पूछा था?
2 years,
2 years
of Coromandel from now.
2
Where
years?
is Coromandel? Where do you see Coromandel in the next 2 years? Where do you want to take it? What's your vision?
Yeah.
Largely, what's your vision with the brand?
Yeah. I mean, the vision that I have in my mind is surely taking it to the international market right now. I think that's something that I'm going to pursue. And I recently had an exhibition at Seoul DXP, and I got great response over there. Like, I think outside India, my clothes, I mean, people loved it. And I made great sales out there. Like, you know, so I think, yeah, for sure, taking it internationally, I think that's why your store and Mumbai in particular suits me. Because I think, yeah, again, coming back, like, you know, people in Mumbai experiment.
Yeah.
Like, you know,
Yeah.
people in Delhi don't experiment. Like, you know, that's something about them. नहीं करते भाई, मतलब मेरे दोस्त भी नहीं
मैं
करते.
तो उल्टा सोचता हूँ.
नहीं. In Delhi, people don't experiment. In Mumbai, people experiment a lot. For that matter, if you'll see, if you look at these retail stores, in Delhi, people buy a lot of sneakers, but less of clothing from homegrown brands. In Mumbai, it's the other way around.
Yeah.
यहाँ पे स्नीकर ठीक है बिकता है, उतना नहीं बिकता, पर जितना दिल्ली में बिकता है.
तो बाप का पैसा.
हाँ, और कपड़े बिकते हैं यहाँ पे. Like, you know, I swear, I think Mumbai people are a little mature that way. Like, you know, I mean, I'm not saying anything about. I'm from Delhi, so fuck it. But yeah,
Anything you would like to close or?
हाँ तो international is where you want to take
Yeah.
Coromandel.
Yeah.
Nice. So I just
like, I mean, I took it, but like properly international, like having a like, you know, store out there or something like that. Yeah,
and
like
stuff like that.
something
Yeah,
That'll be
because
fun.
I also think, you know, generally people are more appreciative of fashion
Yeah.
because they have that exposure from a very, very long time.
Yeah.
We as Indian consumers are still just very recently exposed to
Yeah.
that kind of fashion game.
नहीं
and
मैं वो
everything.
मेरे को लगता है
That's
अपने
why.
कच्चे में लड़ना हमेशा छोटा लगता है. ऐसा नहीं हो रहा. So यहाँ पे वैल्यू नहीं है. I think a better way to put it, घर की मुर्गी दाल बराबर. Yeah, that's what it is, right? So yeah, that's the
मोटे
thing.
बड़े होने चाहिए.
So yeah, that way I think.
Yeah, oh my god. Okay, with that note, I think
Yeah,
we're going to
would love
call this
end it.
a night
इसके बाद-
because we have plans after this
Yeah.
where we need to head
Exactly.
and play undercover.
For sure, we're doing that.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're doing that. Plus with a lot of these.
Kalesh होना चाहिए.
with a lot of unfiltered conversations.
All right,
For
guys.
that,
We'll see you.
thank you so much.
Yeah.
Thank you,
Thank you so
Darshan.
much.
It was a pleasure having you.
Thank you so much.
Bye.
This is probably my first podcast, so I'm like, you know.
Yay! Thank you.